We have the uterus, and this is the endometrium. So the embryo is in here, and this would be the amniotic sac. And that is connecting to the endometrium through the placenta. So this is the placenta. And as this develops, it becomes a little more obvious. So here you can see where the placenta is and the umbilical cord. Then you have the fetus. This is the space where you would have the amniotic fluid. And then the amniotic sac is taking over the lining around the uterus. So it's taking over that whole space there. Over here, you can see the placenta again and the amniotic sac, and now the fetus changed position slightly, and you have the umbilical cord. Over here, this is a 4-month fetus. Again, you have the umbilical cord that you can see there connecting over to the placenta, and then the placenta is connecting over to the endometrium. And this is showing you a 5-month fetus. Again, changing position so the fetus are able to move around. You can see the umbilical cord there and here, and then this is part of the placenta. So this is where you have the choroid villi, where the blood vessels are diffusing. Your placenta is going to work as both a lung and a digestive system and an excretory system. This is also a 5-month fetus, and then this is a 5-month twin, and then here's your 7-month. And you'll notice that it changed positions with the head at the bottom, and as the fetus keeps getting bigger, this will get thinner. So when they talk about efface during labor, they're talking about this thinning out. When they talk about dilation during labor, they're talking about this opening up so that the fetus can push through. And you see the same structures again. You have the fetus, you have the umbilical cord, and the placenta, and then this is the amniotic sac. So in the other presentation, go all the way back over here. The white line here is not the amniotic sac. This is actually the lining of the endometrium. The amniotic sac would be over in this area. So that's the only correction to that. Other than that, the same structures keep repeating themselves over and over. So you have the ovary with the ovarian ligament. You have the fallopian tubes with the well-defined fimbriae, and then your sections leading into the uterus. And then over here, you can see the cervix. So this is the cervix there. This is the opening through where the sperm would go when they are going in for fertilization. And then here's the vagina, and you can see the rugae. And all those structures are the same in every one of the models.